extract business data from Google Map in bulk, no manual work required. Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use the Google Map data scraper tool to extract business data from Google Map. First, download the tool as a zip file and unzip it. Now open Chrome, go to manage extension and turn on developer mode and click on load unpack. Select this folder. Now fill the basic detail and your free trial and free version has been started. So now enter your keyword on and location or upload a keyword file. So enter keyword and click on start process. The tool will automatically start extracting data. You can see category, name, address, phone, email, etc. And once the process is complete, you can download the data as a CSV file. That's it. Simple and fast. Thanks for watching.